check if 2 is the 0 of the polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2. So we have a quadratic polynomial and we are asked basically to check if 2 is the 0 of this given polynomial. So first of all, the first question is, what do we actually mean by 0 of a polynomial? So for a polynomial, let's say that we name the polynomial p of x. This is just a name. P means polynomial and x means the variable through which this polynomial is made up of. So 0 of a polynomial means that whatever that polynomial is, if instead of x, let's say we substituted some value, for example, x equals to a can be anything, 2, 3, minus 5, minus 4, whatever that is, if we would substitute that value in place of all the x's and the value of this polynomial comes out to be 0, then this value a is called the 0 of the given polynomial. This may sound abstract at first. Let's solve this through this example. Now we need to check whether 2 is the 0 of this polynomial or not. This means, let's say that let's give this polynomial, let's call this polynomial p of x. So our polynomial p of x would be x square minus 3x plus 2, which means that this polynomial is made up of this variable x. Now in order to check whether 2 is the 0, this would mean that the moment we would substitute x equal to 2 in the given polynomial, wherever there is x, the moment we would substitute 2 instead of x, if the value of this polynomial comes out to be 0, that is p of x equals to 2, if the value of this polynomial is equal to 0, we would say that this is the 0. Let's check. Let's substitute 2 instead of x. So this would give us 2 whole square. Instead of x, we are substituting 2. So we have 2 square minus of 3 times. Again, we have a x. Instead of this x, we would substitute 2 followed by 1 more 2. Let's try to solve this. So this would give us, this is equal to 2 square is 4, minus of 3 times 2 is 6, plus of 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. Which means that the moment we substituted 2 in this polynomial, the value of this polynomial became 0. Hence, this condition satisfied. Hence, we can say that this 2 is indeed 0 of the given polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2. So I hope now you have a very clear picture what do we mean by 0 of a polynomial.